Autism is one of the most common neurological disabilities worldwide in the 21st century. Some people may be able to live relatively normal lives, while others may have an accompanying learning disability and require continued specialist support. Autism is a developmental disability which affects, among a wide range of other things, the way children relate and cope with environments, the way the brain works, social interactions, emotional responses, and the ability to communicate appropriately. Autism is a spectrum disorder. The word spectrum describes the range of difficulties that people with autism may experience and the degree to which they may be affected. Due to the fact that autism has no clear diagnosis for every person, a wide range of interpretations are developed. Some interpretations about the disability is that people with autism have either high functioning or low functioning autism. Although this is the case in some instances, most diagnoses are all different due to the wide range of symptoms and effects experienced. Unfortunately, due to the lack of understanding about the disability, society develops stereotypes and bias placed upon people with autism. Some common stereotypes and bias developed by society come from the belief that people with autism are weird, broken, badly behaved, uninterested in building social relationships, lack intelligence or are extremely intelligent, will never be able to communicate their needs, and the most significant bias placed upon the disability is that it is believed to only affect males, when in fact females can have autism also, yet the bias prevents the symptoms being diagnosed as autism.
Are big and curious. They have stepped baby kangaroos are called cubs. Cubs are forced to
Providing children with the opportunity to explore in a practical experience identifying specific difficulties faced by children with autism, children can gain a respect for diverse members of their classroom. As explored in this quick activity video, children were asked to get into a group and play specific roles. One child was asked to be the person with autism and told to listen to person 2 who was reading to them. Person 2 was to read in a normal voice, whilst person 3 was asked to read very loudly over the background noise. Activity is designed to show how people with autism are bothered by things most people don't notice, and one symptom of autism is that they can be overly sensitive to noise. By providing an experience where students can develop their own emotional responses, they can become sensitive to the emotional outbursts that some autistic children express, such as screaming and moaning, because unlike other children, they struggle to communicate their feelings and needs. Researchers have found that when provided with relevant information about an issue, stereotypes and bias against a minority of people can be significantly reduced.